Yeah, after I attend the Hum Chi class, I do daily practice, and for after 9 weeks, I could see my both hands are much better. Okay, at the moment it may not look normal to you, but to me it has improved a lot. Before that, it's quite darkish, as it has been bruised, but now it's much more clearer. And then also my complexion of my whole face has improved a lot. I come for group practice because it would help me to maintain the enthusiasm. Plus, because in a group practice, the extent of the cheese and the degree of cheese is a lot, and then you can feel better for you, and then that's why I come for the group practice.